बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप सब? होप आप सब लोग ठीक ठाक होंगे, खैर आफियत से होंगे। आप लोग देख रहे हैं स्टडी टाइम यूट्यूब चैनल। आज के इस लेक्चर में मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करूंगी चैप्टर नंबर 7 के शॉर्ट आंसर्स। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है व्हाट इज स्टेट एंड स्टेट फंक्शन। स्टेट क्या होती है वो पहले बताना है हमने। द कंडीशन ऑफ सिस्टम इज कॉल्ड स्टेट ऑफ सिस्टम। इनिशियल स्टेट इज description before a change happen. Final state is a description after a change take place. State function, it is a microscopic property of a system which has definite value for initial and final state and is dependent of the path which is adopted to bring about the change. Question number 2 है in what situation delta H and delta E value are same. We know that at constant pressure change in enthalpy delta H equal to delta E plus P delta V, but in case of liquid and solid the change in state do not cause significant volume change. Question number 3 है define system and surrounding. System है the real or imaginary part of universe which is under consideration is called system. Surrounding everything except system present in the universe is known as surrounding. Differentiate between internal energy and enthalpy. Internal energy और enthalpy में डिफरेंस करेंगे हम। The sum of all possible kind of energy present in the system is known as internal energy, denoted by E. Not possible to measure the absolute value of internal energy of the system, but change in internal energy can be measured for the change in the state of the system. Internal energy is a state function. Enthalpy, the sum of internal energy, pressure, volume, work is called enthalpy, represented by H, also known as total heat content of the system. Question number 5 है why it is necessary to mention the physical state of the reactant and product. It is necessary to mention the physical state of reactant and product for thermochemical reaction because different state of same substance have different enthalpies. Enthalpy of formation of liquid, water and water vapor are different from each other. Question number 6 है is it true that non-spontaneous process never happen in the universe? In general, a non-spontaneous process never happen in the universe, but sometime another natural process occur in such a way that natural condition become favorable and a non-spontaneous process may occur under ordinary condition. N2 and O2 does not react, but when lightning occur N2 and O2 combine together and form NO. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 में डिफ्रेंशिएट करना है इंटरनल एनर्जी चेंज एंड एंथैल्पी चेंज। क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 में डिफ्रेंशिएट करना है एक्सोथर्मिक रिएक्शन एंड एंडोथर्मिक रिएक्शन। तो डियर स्टूडेंट यही थी आज की वीडियो जिसमें मैंने आप लोगों के साथ चैप्टर नंबर 7 के शॉर्ट आंसर शेयर किए हैं। अपना ख्याल रखिएगा, दुआ में याद रखिएगा। मिलती हूँ अपनी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। अल्लाह हाफिज़।